की खबर का बातें से टीवी
ka da Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai laha miet ni shai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. Mission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course kabala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka by admission ka badunatam but she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College Shillong ka khod admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dep khap mania fila ban call haki niki number
ka head teacher, headmaster, principal, teachers training first edition ba arsngi balapanya da ka education subcommittee jong ka war Jaiñtia Students Union kala long hariwar Jaiñtia Church of God Secondary School Lat Japlem Amlarem Civil Subdivision ha kanigasngi la Jinghikai ya ki sanphongot ki Nonghikai ki bahikai ha ki lower but upper primary school ki badan hapo ka Thaiñ war Jaiñtia da ki Nonghikai na ka Icfai University Meghalaya Shillong la penya ya ka jelang play da chief advisor jong ka seng uba alban ki gashnga but samru ki Nonghikai ya ki certificate of participation da general secretary ka seng samla Everest Langstang la sakhilang hakanigasni dau additional superintendent of police jong ka West Jaiñtia Hills district Ishan Gupta bala long kumukongsan in charge ka subdivisional school education officer Amlarem Civil Subdivision ba H Comfort Star Lamen Gasa bala long kumusumbot kongsan principal jong ka Riwar Jaiñtia Church of God Secondary School ba Histing Kharkongor bala long kumusumbot Bakarpang.
We also from the government, we are giving this type of training in these different areas. The training actually was conducted by the DIAP, the Trade of Educational Training from Shillong. This has entrusted this training to the DIAP, District Institute of Training. But we are glad to know that this organization or association is also taking part in imparting training to the teachers of this subdivision, which is very welcome from the side of from the government as well as from the office of SDSO, so that our teachers get updated with the new methodology or with the new skill or with the new technology.
To the teachers here present here, they are the backbone of our nation, of the country that India aspires to be, of taking not just Meghalaya but the nation and the world forward. So first of all, a huge round of applause for all of you. Now I can safely, after breaking the protocol, I can now welcome and thank the dignitaries. SDSU sir, thank you. The Jaiñtia Students Union principal sir, the organizers, and of course the faculty who have come from Icfai University. It's an honor for me personally. I am fairly young on this circuit of government service. It's been 2.5, close to 3 years working on the ground in Meghalaya. I am a 21 batch IPS officer 2021, and it was not very long ago that I passed out of school and college. I graduated in 2015, and there has been a very critical role of teachers in all our lives. For whatever we are, we would have been nothing if it was not for good teachers at some points or the other. I remember many anecdotes from my life. I have been a very notorious student throughout my school life, doing all sorts of naughty things, doing pranks and stuff. And it was our teachers who kept us, who took the effort to keep us on the right track. And I remember my school teacher, it was class 5 and her name was Manisha. And I'm very close to her. I'm still in touch with her. It's been almost 20 years that she taught us. and she was the one. So she was the first one who made me the class monitor. It's usually said that make the naughty students the class monitor, and they'll manage not just themselves but the entire section. So what I'm trying to stress upon is the effort that teachers take to shape us. Many of us are mostly directionless in our lives. Our parents are very simple people. We come from middle classes, lower middle classes. So it is usually the teacher who guides us. As it is said that a directionless boat reaches nowhere. So the role of giving us direction is the sole role of the teacher. She is the guide, she or he, they are the guides, they are the mentors, and they keep us grounded and rooted in the direction, keeping the goalpost intact. I'm very happy to see that such trainings are being organized for the teachers. Specifically, a lot of focus is there on students usually in our education system, but the teachers somehow are left a little neglected. Another aspect which really pains my heart and many of our hearts is being the most noble profession, where teachers are one of the most underpaid professionals. The kind of respect that we see, it's also on the decline, and which is very sad, and we don't vouch for it. Rather, there is something wrong with the generations coming up, with the media, with everything. Everyone is trying to be cool, be smart, wherein the values are taking a sideline.
Umdi Bashnyam Bak Pinjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.